Today we're going to do a quick overview of the FHA mortgage. We're going to talk a little bit about the basic requirements and things that home buyers should know. If you have questions, please contact us at coasttocoastlending.com or simply call 904-810-2293. First, just a little bit of background on the FHA loan. It is a federally backed program that is insured by the Federal Housing Administration, FHA. This loan is issued by approved lenders and banks nationwide. The program was originally developed during the 1930s and has helped thousands of home buyers make the dream of home ownership possible. The FHA loan is great for first-time home buyers, especially that have limited funds for down payment. The program, again, is offered through approved lenders and banks. Some of the benefits of an FHA loan: first and foremost, the program does permit up to 96.5% financing, so only a 3.5% down payment is required. This is the most attractive option, again, for first-time home buyers that have limited funds for a down payment. The down payment can also be gifted from family and also friends in certain cases. The program is not reserved exclusively for first-time home buyers. That's important to remember, is that any move-up buyer, seasoned home buyer, can also apply for the program. There is no class or education requirements needed to apply. Home buyers can call and oftentimes be pre-approved all in the same day. FHA also permits the home seller to pay the buyer's closing costs, generally up to 6.5%, which is more than enough in most cases to cover all the closing costs, and prepaid escrow requirements for home insurance and taxes. The FHA program is a safe and secure 30 or 15-year fixed rate mortgage, and there is no requirement on how long a home buyer must live in their home. There is no early payoff penalty or prepayment penalty. Home buyers can pay off their mortgage, move and sell their home whenever they choose without penalty. There's also many great refinance options for homeowners that currently have an FHA loan, which we'll talk about in the coming slide. For the FHA refinance, the FHA Streamline Refinance is a popular program, and it's a limited documentation program that does not require new appraisal. This is attractive for home buyers that may be upside down or underwater on the value of their home and may run into obstacles during a normal conventional refinance. This gives those folks options to refinance and maybe possibly lower their interest rate. This only applies to homeowners that currently have an FHA loan. There is no cash out permitted with this Streamline Refinance program. Applicants will need a 620 credit score to be eligible. There is no mortgage late payments allowed in the previous year. Cash out refinances options are also available for homeowners that do have equity. However, this is a full documentation loan. This program does require a full appraisal, similar to the purchase program. This is great for, again, homeowners that do have equity that may want to cash out for debt consolidation, pay off higher interest debt, or maybe pay for a renovation. Just some of the FHA mortgage qualifying requirements. First and foremost, the home must be an owner-occupied primary residence. Home buyers should be able to fully document their income and assets. Again, this is a full documentation loan for the cash out refinance program and the regular FHA purchase program. A stable 2-year job history with no unexplained gaps in employment. Home buyers that have switched jobs, that's pretty common, and that is certainly allowed. Really what they're looking for here is just no unexplained extended gaps of employment. Certain gaps of employment are permitted for medical reasons and so forth. Again, home buyers should be able to properly document their income with 2 years of tax returns and or W-2s. Applicants will need a 620 credit score to be approved for maximum financing of 96.5%. However, lower credit scores, in some cases down to a 580 credit score, can be approved for home buyers that do have a greater down payment, maybe a 5% or 10% down payment. U.S. citizens only are permitted for the FHA mortgage. Homebuyers that need assistance or have more questions can learn more about the FHA loan or all the government programs like USDA and VA as well. Just visit our website at coasttocoastlending.com or simply call us at 904-810-2293. Thank you.